Francis, what are you doing here? For sure, miss mo na ako kaya.
Bakit mo ginawa yun, Joanna?
What are you talking about?
Nalaman ko yung ginawa niyo ni Amy kay Ina. Bakit?
So, nagsumbong siya sa'yo. I didn't know that you guys are close.
Nakita ko siya, Joanna, humihingi ng tulong. Na dapat pupunta ako sa isa Nono's Favorites para kausapin ka sana. Ba't yun naman ginawa sa tao yun?
Why not? Naawa ba siya? Nung pinaikot niya yung ulo ni Lola para lang makuha yung shares ng company?
Right na, Joanna. Ano ka ba? Hindi yun dapat ginagawa sa tao yun. What if may nangyaring masama sa kanya? Or worse, pwede siya mamatay sa ginawa
Eh
niyo?
di sana namatay na siya. I'd bury her myself.
Narinig mo ba sarili mo, Joanna? You sound like a complete psychopath.
Don't you dare insult me, Francis! You don't know what happened, so can you just stay out of this?
As far as I know, Joanna, hindi naman kagustuhan ni Ina na ibigay ni Lola Aurea yung shares ng De La Costa Food Corp sa kanya. It was Lola's decision. Alam mo naman yan!
Okay, so you're not just Ina's savior. Abogado ka rin pala niya. Because you're defending her as if you know that gold digger so well, Francis. I was your girlfriend for over a year, Francis. At magkababata tayo and yet you still take her side?
That's why I precisely know you better, Joanna. I know what you're capable of. Si Ina, kahit bago ko palang nakilala, I can see, I can feel that she has a good heart.
How dare you compare me to that gold digger? We are done, Francis!
And I'm grateful for that.
Hindi lang si Madam Aurea ang nahulog sa patibong ni Ina. Pati na rin si Francis. Hahayaan mo ba siya na kontrolin ang lahat ng tao sa paligid mo hanggang sa masira ang buhay mo